Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna make something super easy. It might look hard, people might be intimidated by making fish, but I guarantee you can make this. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to need to bring a pot of water up to a rolling boil. Then we'll plunge our spinach and basil in for just about a minute, at which point we'll plunge that into an ice bath. The cold water will stop the cooking process, and that'll allow us to keep this bright green color we're looking for. Now just set that aside while we prep our fish. I'm using halibut here, but you can use any flaky white fish you want. Cod would work great too. About 30 minutes before you're ready to start frying, you're going to want to season the fish on both sides with salt and let that rest while we prep the rest of our ingredients. I took about half of a large white onion and I gave it a fine dice, but there's no need to go crazy since it's going to get blended into our sauce anyway. Cut a stick of butter in half and add it to the onions in a saucepan. Cover that with 2 cups of chicken stock and bring that up to a boil. Once that's boiling, go ahead and toss in a couple of cups of frozen peas, pour it in a blender, and mix it on high for a few minutes until it's all smooth. Add the basil and spinach and blend it for a couple more minutes. The spinach will help the sauce retain that bold green color, and the basil will add a bit of minty sweetness to it. Now, this part's optional if you're serving it right away, but immediately chilling the sauce will keep it from getting any darker. I reheated mine right before plating. To make the fish, you're going to want to heat a couple tablespoons of oil in a cast iron pan over medium-high heat. I used grapeseed oil for this recipe, but canola worked just fine too. When you see smoke, place your fish in the pan with the presentation side up. You always want to cook the side of the fish that will be faced up on the plate first, so you don't pick up any burnt bits off the bottom when you flip it. After 3 or 4 minutes, flip the fish over. You might need to turn the heat down here so that the butter doesn't burn before the fish is cooked. Don't worry, the cast iron still has plenty of heat in it. Add a little butter and a little bit of thyme and let that cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. This was just some store-bought chili oil that I separated as a garnish. I just thought it would look cool in the pictures. You can skip it. And it's time to plate. Add a little bit of sauce as a base for the fish and then set your halibut right on top. Add some finishing touches and you're done. And that's all there is. Recipe in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.